Hello, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we're going to talk about how to easily groom your long-haired guinea pig. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel or visit me on DIYDanielle.com. Hello, so I wanted to show you really quickly how we groom our guinea pigs. And because I have some long-haired ones and we have them partially outdoors, partially in a shed, they have the option to come back and forth depending on where they're more comfortable. And they don't like getting their hair brushed. So these are all, or several of them are long-haired guinea pigs. Oh, you're so sweet, Cinnamon. She does not love being handled. None of them really love being handled because they're guinea pigs. Really hate getting their butt brushed. And in order to keep them from really getting matted in the back, you do need to like cut their hair or brush them regularly. And if they hate brushing, you got a choice about whether you just make them put up with it or try to make it pleasant. I have yet to find something that makes my guinea pigs just love life when I'm brushing them or handling them. We need to make sure they, hi baby, you're so cute. We do want to make sure they're clean and don't end up with issues. So one of the things I found is those dog vacuums. I'm going to show you what I have. Often come with an attachment where you can shave them. And so the thing I like about this is it sucks in the hair while you're shaving. This changes the length. They also have the attachments, but I'm not going to worry about that. And this is the reason. I am not actually using this to touch my guinea pigs. So the nice thing about this is because the vacuum's there, it sucks the hair up. And so what I do is when it's sucking it up, it'll just bring it up here. And see this? It's not actually touching her, but it'll suck it up. And I'll show you how it works because it does. I'm going to have to turn on the volume. It's going to suck. But it seems really big and scary to her, but it's not like hurting her and it's not touching her, which probably makes her a little happier. Faster, it's less time intensive. And these are the dog vacuums, and they vacuum your dog's hair while you're brushing them on the quieter side than a regular vacuum, and it's got different attachments like the clippers. That's your noise. And so you can see I'm not actually touching, I'm letting it suck the hair up. And again, not loving it, but, and this is not like the, I want my guinea pig's hair to look awesome for a guinea pig show. Probably make her happier if I had some treats here, but. But I could just go around. So I just try to go around and make sure there's still spots where it's really long. She's going to be stepping on it, or it's going to get matted if she goes to the bathroom and can't groom herself. So I find that their legs get kind of long. I know. Okay, so you can see it's not like the best haircut in the whole world. I have a little long hair still, I know, but I don't want to cut your poor whiskers. So it's not the best, but she'll be nice and cool this summer. I may get her a little bit more. I actually may get her like areas right here. Is that chub? Is that chub or is that hair? It might be a little chub, I know. I know, it might just be a little chubby. But she's super comfortable now. She'll be nice and cool for the summer. And she's a good girl. You were such a good girl, weren't you? Do you want a treat? You do want a treat, yes. So I brought the guinea pigs some dandelions. Can you tell? Their level of excitement is very high. And this is just a sped up video from guinea pig number 2. My third one didn't like it very much. She was a little less cooperative, but anyways, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Make sure to follow my channel and visit me on DIYDanielle.com.